Hi guys, today I'm going to show the demo of the Uber Eats clone which I built. So I built this web full stack web application using the MERN stack, and also I deployed the full stack in the Kubernetes EKS Elastic Kubernetes Service because I've Dockerized it and then made it containerization using Kubernetes. So let's start with the demo. So this is the code base which I have. So basically I have the client which is the React database. I'm using the earlier I was using MySQL. The queries are this, and I have transformed that into MongoDB later. This is the I've used JMeter for load testing, and this is the K. It is basically Kubernetes YAML files for backend, frontend, Kafka, MongoDB, and Zookeeper for the Kafka. And I've implemented Nginx for the proxy connections between the client and server. And this is the server where I have the business logics as well as the MongoDB models as well. I've used Mongoose for the data model, and these are the routes which I'm having. So this is how it goes. So let me demonstrate it. So this is the landing page, and here let me sign up as a user customer firstly. So I'm signing up right now, and after signing up it is redirecting to the customer login page, and I'm logging with the same credential which I have just now signed up with. And after logging in it will be redirecting to the home page where you'll be seeing the restaurants available. For time being I just used one. So here I can add the items to the cart. I can also add a few other dishes as well. So I can increase, decrease based on that. The total amount will be changing. And so I'm placing an order. So I'm getting a notification that the order has been placed successfully. I can see the list here, sorry, orders here which I've made. So these are the details which you can see, like in which restaurant I have placed the order and what are the items I have placed. And I can make restaurants favorite, so I can see it here. I can add and remove, and this is customer profile page where I can modify the details and also add profile picture as well. I can also I've also implemented the search functionality. um, if I'm searching, if the keyword is not matching with any of the result, it will be showing no result found. And I also implemented filter as well. So if the filter is not matching with the result, then it won't be showing. And next I'm signing out and logging in as I can also sign up, but in the interest of time I'm just directly logging in with the A to B's credential. Here I can modify the restaurant details, and these are the orders which have been placed. This is the latest order which we did, and the restaurant can update the status, and also the restaurant can filter based on the order status, and restaurant can add let's say dosa. Restaurant can add new dishes. So here I can see the dish which is added. I can also edit the dish which is being added, like changing the name or description, or even I can add the dish image as well. So yeah, pretty much I've deployed this thing in the AWS. So basically it is running in AWS EKS. Yeah, pretty much this is the thing with regard to the Uber Eats clone which I've built. Thank you so much.